In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forum channel in Discord. A forum channel is perfect when you want organized, topic-based discussions where each post becomes its own thread. It keeps conversations tidy and makes it easy for members to find what they need without scrolling through a single long chat. First, make sure your server has community features turned on, because forum channels are only available on community servers. If you're an admin or have the right permissions, open your server settings, look for the community section, and enable it. Discord will guide you through a quick setup to confirm your rules and safety preferences. This just ensures your server meets the community standards, and it only takes a moment. If you already have community enabled, you're good to go. Next, head back to your channel list and click the plus icon next to channels. This opens the channel creation window. Here, you'll choose the channel type. Select Forum. If you don't see Forum as an option, double-check that community is enabled on the server and that you have permission to create channels. Now give your forum a clear, descriptive name and click Create. Keep the name simple and specific so members immediately understand what belongs there. For example, announcements feedback, tech support, or project ideas. Short names are easier to read, and you can always fine-tune other details afterward. Once the forum channel is created, open its settings to adjust permissions, guidelines, and tags. Permissions control who can view the forum, create new posts, or reply to threads. If you want to prevent clutter, you might allow everyone to reply but restrict post creation to a specific role. Think about the kind of traffic you expect and set access accordingly. Add channel guidelines to welcome members and explain what content belongs in this forum. This message appears at the top to set the tone and reduce off-topic posts. Keep it friendly and clear, and include any formatting or posting rules you want people to follow. Finally, set up tags to organize posts. Tags act like labels that users can pick when they start a new thread, such as bug, feature request, or resolved. Choose a small set of meaningful tags and consider making tags required so every post is easy to filter and find later. Over time, you can refine your tags based on what your community actually uses, and that's it. Enable community if needed, create the forum channel, name it, and then refine permissions, guidelines, and tags to match your goals. Your server now has a clean, efficient space for structured discussions.